They were here before the dinosaurs, and they'll likely outlive humans. Insects don't just survive on Earth, they rule it. And today, we're going to uncover exactly how these tiny creatures became the most successful life forms on the planet. Welcome back to Understanding the World. Today, we're buzzing into the incredible story of how insects conquered nearly every corner of Earth and why their success is truly unmatched in the history of life. So, what makes them so special? Let's dive in. First, let's talk numbers because they are absolutely mind-blowing. Scientists have identified over 1 million different insect species, and they estimate there could be millions, maybe even tens of millions, more waiting to be discovered. To put that into perspective, at any given moment, insects make up more than half of all living organisms on Earth. Think about that for a second. More than all plants, fungi, and other animals combined. For every single human alive right now, there are an estimated 1.4 billion insects. It's not our planet, we're just living on it. So how did they achieve this global domination? It all starts with a huge head start. Insects have been evolving for over 400 million years. That's a staggering amount of time, giving them an immense evolutionary sandbox to play in. This has allowed them to become masters of survival. Their small size is a key advantage. It means they need fewer resources and can hide in tiny spaces. But their real secret weapon is their exoskeleton. This tough outer shell acts like a suit of armor, protecting them from predators and physical damage. It also has a waxy layer that dramatically reduces water loss, which is why insects can thrive in some of the most extreme environments imaginable, from blistering hot deserts to humid, dense rainforests. One of the biggest leaps in their evolutionary journey was taking to the skies. Insects were the very first animals to develop flight, a game-changing innovation that happened hundreds of millions of years before birds or bats. Flight opened up a whole new world of possibilities. It allowed them to escape from ground-based predators, travel vast distances to find new food sources and mates, and colonize new habitats across continents. This single adaptation gave insects a massive advantage over every other animal on the planet at the time, setting the stage for their explosive diversification. But not all insects go it alone. Some of their greatest success stories come from the power of cooperation. I'm talking about social insects like ants, bees, and termites. These creatures have evolved to live in highly complex societies where the colony functions as a single entity, often called a superorganism. Individuals work together seamlessly without any central command or leader. They build intricate cities, cultivate their own food through farming, wage coordinated wars against rival colonies, and collectively solve problems that would be impossible for a single insect to overcome. This level of social organization is one of the most advanced in the entire animal kingdom. Now, you might be thinking, this is all interesting, but what do insects have to do with me? The answer is everything. Insects are the hidden foundation of our world's ecosystems. They are the planet's master pollinators, responsible for fertilizing the vast majority of our flowering plants, including about a third of the food we eat. They are nature's cleanup crew, breaking down dead plants and animals to recycle vital nutrients back into the soil. They act as natural pest control, keeping populations of other organisms in check. And they form the base of countless food webs, providing a crucial source of protein for birds, fish, reptiles, and mammals. Simply put, without insects, our ecosystems would completely collapse and human civilization wouldn't survive for long either. Insects may be small, but their impact is enormous. They shaped our world long before we arrived, and their resilience ensures they will continue to shape its future long after we're gone. They are the true, unsung rulers of Earth. So which insect fascinates you the most? Let us know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Understanding the World, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.